Hello, it's Kevin Young again, and now we're going to install the Vue Devtools for Chrome. So I already have my Chrome browser up, and I'm already at Google. First thing I'm going to do is type in what I'm looking for. So I'm going to type in Chrome Vue Devtools. Not actually, I can select it because it's a popular choice. In the very first one that shows up is the correct one. Now I'm using Chrome as a guest right now, so I'm getting this little message that says I can't install the Chrome tools as a guest. Otherwise, this button would have been blue and have an add to Chrome button. All you have to do is click that button, and if there's any little box that says do you accept or whatever, just agree to that. Once it's installed, I'm going to switch back over to my personal. What you'll get is you'll see that it says added to Chrome, and you'll see a little grayed out V shape that shows up in your list of icons at the top of your Chrome window. That means it's installed. So now if I had a project that I was working on that had Chrome installed and in not production mode but in development mode, this would turn green, which would tell me that the Vue tools are available. So once we get Vue installed, we will then be able to test and see if these Vue Chrome Dev tools work.